Hey everyone! So today it's finally time to prune my passion wine. It's totally grown over and I barely can walk over to my garden. So we'll prune this one and use all the cuttings to create new passion fruit wine. If you haven't met yet, I'm Stefan, the guy with the weird German accent. Before we start with the pruning process, we always have to make sure that we use clean clippers, because we do not want to transmit any diseases. Therefore, I use some hydrogen peroxide and I just put a little bit on it, spray a bit on my clipper and wipe it off with a paper towel. So when you're pruning your passion fruit, you have to make sure that you do not cut at the wrong part, because this can be a very bad idea. So what I'm usually doing is I first cut off all these outer branches, like this one, or for example like that one, or that one, just to see where else I have to prune, without that I destroy this entire wine. Let's get started. To tie up the wine, I'm using this type of clip. I will leave a link down in the description. So that are all our cuttings. And all these cuttings can be used to create new plants. If you could learn something from this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See you the next time.